Looking at a little post hurricane, I suppose. It's not bad here though. The sun's coming out a little bit. So we're staying in a shack. A little windy, a little rainy last night. Boom, number 3, of course. Nice little dining area in here. Kitchen's actually pretty nice. Got some groceries delivered to us last night. Couch is extra comfy. It's nice and cool in here. Don't watch the news.
A southwest wind, so we're going to have a couple of
Not bad.
showers early, and then some scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon.
That probably didn't work, but anyway. Bedroom. My stuff's a mess over here. Little TV. It works out. Plus it's actually pretty big in there. It's dark, but got a light. Good sized little closet, and bathroom's not bad either. We'll take it, right? It's that beach living. That beach life, baby. Leaving the crib, hitting the beach up. How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. There's one road that goes through Bradenton/Anna Maria Island. This is it. See if it's as windy and choppy as it was yesterday. It was wild yesterday. Day after the hurricane rolled right in. Flew into a hurricane. We're chilling though. Not bad. This is the Gulf side. Still pretty choppy though. Had the wrong settings the entire time. Hopefully these settings look okay as well. Hop in for a little bit. Got a little bit of shade. The wife and I's first umbrella installation in the sand. It's gone well so far. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow it away. We had to build like a little, almost like a little sand castle. I don't know if you can see that. Just like a little sand pile castle around it. So, like I told you guys, it got burnt pretty good yesterday, so trying to stay out of the sun as much as I can. All doused in sunscreen today. Should have done that yesterday, but oh well, we're chilling. Had to run back and forth to the Airbnb 2 or 3 times just to get all the necessary items, accessories, whatever you want to call it. I was thinking necessary items for the umbrella, but either way, we're chilling. Try and get a view of the sunset today. Yesterday was pretty cloudy. Obviously, a day or two ago or whatever, the hurricane was here, so that wasn't going to happen. Sun's out. I'll try to get a little time lapse video of it. We'll see how it goes. Now we're off to the donut shop, donut experiment. Just made it to the donut experiment and test her out. Thank you. Absolutely jam-packed in there. Oh, got 6 donuts?
Didn't do it right. Oh no, you wanted Oreo on yours.
Yeah, I did.
So that one must be
Yep.
strawberry, chocolate. So we didn't order these.
This is strawberry topped with Oreos and what, maple glaze? No, not maple. Caramel. It's good. toasted being burnt. Wasn't very smart. We're 30 now. Got to be smart about these kind of things. The water feels amazing. It's pretty choppy though. Especially for the Gulf side. Had some comments about, wow, I didn't know the Gulf. Like multiple people said, I didn't know the Gulf had such big waves. Well, we just had a hurricane 2 days ago, so that would be the reason. Hopefully I get more on the GoPro. Probably not in the water. Like you found some hidden treasures. Got something. Put it right in his pocket.